I did my PowerPoint over why you should become an organ donor. So the reason one is to help others. One organ can save a life. People who are put on the registry are usually in their end stages of cancer, so you'd be saving their life. Two, the list keeps growing. Every day, 124,000 people are on the list, and 10 are added daily. Reason three, one organ donor can help multiple people. So as an organ donor, you can save 8 lives and help up to 60 lives. Reason four, people are dying while waiting on the list. 22 people die a day or 8,000 a year while waiting on the list. Reason five, it's rewarding and a positive experience. So if you're an organ donor and something were to happen to you, it's easier on your family to cope. So here's my interactive question. Are you a donor? Yes or no? And then in conclusion, it is very easy to become a donor. You can register when you renew your license or visit the URL I put in on the page and sign up for less than, it takes less than 5 minutes. Here's my reference. And then down here you can see the notes I had on the slides. So slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6 with the question, slide 7. So they all had notes on them.